Cleaned up the mess. Parts all roughed out, and we'll start the finishing in the morning. I did find a problem though. This mold's thick in the middle, but it gets thin over here. And I've been a little bit concerned about it. You can see it's lifted up off the table right there. And there, all the way to about that corner. So there's a flange back here, a 3-inch flange. So I'm going to put something under here and try to get a bolt or some more hold down of some sort all the way back here. And I'll probably try to get into the edge of this and put some better hold downs on it so it's tight to the spoil board before I do the finish. And then it'll be fine. And then once I flip it over and put the strong back on, that'll be straight and that'll kind of lock it in place. It's coming along. Look at that.